Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Wagwan Cufflinks fam, welcome back to Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fire, we give you fun,
we're inspirational,
we're real,
and we're educational.
Welcome to another episode.
Tenants in the building.
No, you need to say that with a little bit more oomph. Ready again.
Tenants in the building.
Babe.
Tenants in the building.
You don't know how we do.
Returning residents.
Welcome
Big
back.
up to the newcomers.
Welcome back, guys. If you are new to the channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Leave us a comment, and of course, tell somebody about Stuff from the Cuffs. All right, tell what you usually say. Tell your mother, sister, brother,
your uncle, sister, friend,
everybody.
Yeah.
And be sure to share this video on your different social media platforms. And talking about social media platforms, make sure that you follow us on Instagram at Stuff from the Cuffs. You can also follow our personal pages, Valiant Cufflinks and Basilia B Cuff.
Yeah.
All right, we'll have that information down in the description for your reference. All right, so today it's all about fun, yeah? And we are introducing you to the real Picasso and Picasso. All right? Picasso.
She came up with the names, by the way.
Picasso and Picasso. So we're going to be having a drawing contest today. And let me just put this disclaimer out.
I have seen this video circulating on YouTube, and I just want to showcase my drawing skills, you know. My brother got a 1 in art, and I'm his brother.
Okay. My brother can draw, but I can't say the same for me.
If my brother get a 1, my mouse can get something. That me I say.
Well, some of the videos that we've seen, you either draw and to eat and that kind of thing, but we're not eating anything today.
No.
We're drawing, and you are going to be the judge. Yes, he is. You are going to be the judge, so make sure that you drop in the comments who you think won this challenge. You don't know it's Team Bass in the building. Picasso. Okay.
See, look on me something.
I'm not looking on your things. So I have written 5 things, and Brian has written 5 things. And we are each going to take turns to draw what is written on the paper. Gentlemen before ladies.
No. Ladies first, always. And I'll give you the easiest one first.
Okay.
Hold on. All right, go on through.
So the one that I got is car. And you weren't specific as to what kind of car.
Oh, just a car.
Okay, any car?
Any car.
Okay. So I'm going to blindfold myself.
All right. So Jamaicans, you'll understand, right? Balance.
And this is not indicative of
any
anything,
of us, yeah.
right?
But we just balance the thing.
Actually, it's these we have. So you have, yeah.
And if you saw my Instagram video about the new masks, because I can't do that ears bridge something.
All right, I'll blindfold myself. So he said to draw a car.
Just a check if you see. Just checking. All right, I'll give her the pencil.
This one with the good points?
So you brought a bad point
No, I just want to make sure.
Man. Yes, me find you out already.
Hello.
It's all right.
All right, ready?
Sure. On your mark, pull your corks. Hold on. You have 1 minute. Ready? Go.
Why are you laughing? so much gone. The muffler. Then you have the windows of the car. And then you have the driver. Okay.
You finish?
Yeah, that's my car.
50 seconds. You show them first.
Okay.
So turn it around now and reveal it to yourself.
What? Hey, babe, my car don't look so bad.
Oh, you look like a pig. Like a Peppa Pig.
That's not
first.
true, babe.
You look like Peppa
Guys, this actually is like a passenger. Guys,
First and foremost, which car have
looks
four
like-
wheel in our line, guys? It's a truck
It's
car.
a truck.
It's a truck car.
It's a char. Guys, it actually looks like a car, don't you think?
And then the bad
Yay!
man. And then the team bad man Brian people, they're going to say 10 out of 10.
Guys, how much do you give me for my first drawing, my car? Guys, it looks, babe, on my muffler have things coming through it.
You say that look like a pig.
It does not look like a pig. It looks like a car. You're too bad to mind.
Well, I mean, it's the easiest thing you got first, so I'll give you that. Not bad, but it looks like a pig.
It doesn't look like a pig.
Four-wheeled vehicle.
Babe,
that's
alright.
called four-wheel drive.
I'm going to ask Bria. I'm going to ask Bria what this is, and she's going to say
no,
a car.
everybody ever says a car. It's just not a real car.
It is a real car.
Please.
You know every car in the world?
Please.
All right, blindfold yourself. Oh,
Please.
here. Just choose one.
Watch this now. You know it's difficult, right? Crocodile. I never ever see a crocodile in a real life. Crocodile.
I'm sure you've
You've
this
seen
on
a
the
car
coat
in
of
a real
arms.
life, right?
I have seen
Crocodile.
a crocodile in real life.
Me go ride crocodile.
Babe, we saw when we went down to the zoo.
It's alright. Oh yes, that is true. I have seen many crocodiles at the zoos. It's alright, but we never see them to study them. On paper. Tough enough, guys. I don't know how a crocodile look like.
Babe, you could have tried like a harder, babe.
I cannot draw a crocodile, so I don't even know why you're
You could have tried a little harder. Let me show them. Guys, I don't know what this is. Brian could have drawn something for a mouth. What is this?
Then they mouth this.
Where? Those look like
This actually
horns.
look good.
Babe, those look like
Oh, look,
horns.
peep the signature. Picasso.
Those look like horns.
Is his mouth open? So, you know, say, this not that bad. If me did only continually harder.
No. I give you a 1 out of 10 for that one. Guys, how much do you
You
rate
be the
Brian
judge.
for
You be
this
the judge.
crocodile? Okay, so I got car already. Sunset.
So it's sweet, like you know where you're going to draw. I never ask you about sunrise, you know. It have to be specific. Sunset. Oh.
Don't rush the Pikachu.
Oh, pencil.
Alright, ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, I'm not starting to keep the video yet. Hold on. Ready and go.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Guys, while we're at it, I tell Bass about this about 3 years ago. Alive. Long time I tell her. So it look like she did her practice. Look like she did her practice.
What? I hope I'm shading. You're right, please.
You doing that? Shading? Oh. How come you want to shade it? Oh, yeah, shade everything. Oh, look at you.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Time up still, 1 minute. Derp. Stop.
Okay.
Time up.
Guys, oh my
She did
god.
a practice. That's why I
How
said so
I
long.
was
You know how much time
practicing.
I asked her to do this, and it finally happened.
But babe, you did
2021. She
not
did a
tell
practice.
me
She
what
draw
we were going to
everything. You don't
do.
care. You did draw everything in your life. Come on, embarrass me.
Come on, bad man.
Come embarrass me and show
Guys,
me.
look at my sunset.
You try and make sure the next thing me get is a circle.
Look at my sunset.
Make sure the next thing me get is a square or something easy for draw. So easy car.
I don't know what
sunset.
you're saying. I don't know what you're saying. I am giving you what I'm supposed to give you. I didn't tell you what to give me, so don't tell me what to give you. He used to draw a chicken. The live chicken.
No, you can't say that. That is on paper. It's a chicken leg just crossed my mind. You see?
I knew that was that live chicken.
Right. No.
Babe,
chicken.
I'm the one giving the instructions.
Chicken.
Live chicken. That's what I said.
Chicken.
Live
Ready.
chicken.
No, you can't tell me that. No, chicken.
I said live chicken.
Chicken is chicken.
Live chicken, babe.
Just
Let's
start
go.
the timer. 1 chicken leg coming up. Ready?
Live chicken.
No. That's never up on the paper. Chicken is
live chicken.
You wrote chicken. Are you ready?
Go ahead.
You want chicken leg, me can show.
Yes, man.
Woo!
You're gone 20 seconds already. You don't start drawing anything.
Bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs.
Guys, I tell you, I'm the original Pikachu, and you don't believe me. I am the original Pikachu.
We're done. It's not fair. She's.
How
I'm
is
going to
it
say
not
the next
fair?
animal next time. Just pure animal.
Okay.
I'm giving her still stuff which are so easier to draw. Inanimate objects.
Buckingham Palace. I don't even remember how Buckingham
You know
Palace.
how palace look, no? Just make a palace. Just make it look. Everything I'm giving. No, sir. Not one live thing. Watch.
You did not give me any guidelines as to what to give you.
You have to be careful to think about what person's skill sets are.
No,
I'm not an artist. I'm not stuff from the cuff one, which is my brother what claims to be.
No, it's you. Say you're artist. Where's my pencil? It's you.
Me not even know
It's
record that
you.
one here.
Guys, Brian does not know how to take loses. We don't know that Team Bats always win the challenge.
This is just unfair, right?
Babe, you did not tell me what to. You did not give a
Guys, if you're
category.
thinking easy, would you give live animals? Anyway,
Of course, chicken.
Alright.
What you can? I could have drawn chicken.
Ready? Draw Buckingham Palace.
Is sunset a live
3,
animal?
2. I said I'm not giving live animals. You get sunset. Me get crocodile.
Alright.
3, 2.
You never give me
1,
any guidelines.
Go.
You did not give me any guidelines. Oh.
Bella, we coming, mama. I pick it fence.
Why is that paper there?
Accident. No, you not get that one here. White picket fence.
With windows?
To the chichi eat out piece. 15 seconds to go.
Okay.
You done?
Yeah, I'm finished. Oh, sorry.
I'm not even showing you guys this one. Let she show you.
Of course it looked like, you know what it looks like? It looks like the one down at Giddy House. Buckingham Palace, taken by somebody who is drunk. So they kind of turn slides. It does look like a palace. Not bad, Bass. Not bad, Pikachu. Okay, babe, your turn. Go ahead. Choose your thing.
I don't know what that.
Guys, let me know in the comments. Remember your
It's an
rating.
animal? Alright.
Guys, remember that
It's not an animal.
Remember that your rating. You see, when it's his liking, he doesn't have a problem.
Me not like that either. You know much macaroni on that?
Come on,
Rose. I got a rose.
He got a rose.
It could have been Rose from Titanic. Watch.
That's
See?
not what I asked. I said a rose.
You never said a
Right,
rose, you said rose.
Whatever. Well, if you can't draw, then with something there is rose from Titanic you can draw. You can't draw chicken. Ready? 3.
You don't see the liberty this woman that take with me.
It's true. 1. Go.
Excuse me now, why are you trying to impede me?
If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light.
Don't bother try bribe me. Don't bother try bribe. Guys, you want to see what Brian writes on the paper.
Ladies, imagine you're in the middle of a competition and the person who you're in love with drew this and wrote this. Win though. You can't tell me say me no win around here.
Let me see.
Think about.
No, you didn't.
Think about Buckingham Palace versus the Rose, right? I'm going to put each of them for matchup, you know.
No. It kind of it looked like a spatula, to be honest, when the side burn off. That's what it looks like. Mickey Mouse.
Look how this let's see up here.
Babe,
Something me give her
you
now.
can't. This is not easy for me. Mickey Mouse.
1 circle and 2 circles for the ears and 2 circles for the eyes.
Mickey Mouse is not easy for me.
Not again.
Guys, we all know that Brian can't take loses, so.
What you want?
Give me the pencil.
You try to find the pencil, because if you draw so good, you must can see if you find the pencil. See? She all see paper to put it apart.
I felt the paper. It's a stack of papers.
I remember what it's named.
Yes, man.
Wow, this video. We should all have video this.
It's a stack of papers, so I must know. What am I supposed to draw, Mickey Mouse?
Ready. 3,
Can't take
2,
loses.
go.
So I like.
Yeah, check point for it. You make a broke your point and give a pencil. Time almost up, so you try to hurry up. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I tired just drawing I'm on face.
Yes. Okay,
She had a draw
so
Mickey Mouse tie and belly button, but she put it in the wrong place, guys. Yeah.
this is my Mickey Mouse.
So remember, you know, guys, each thing she draws compares against mine in that same category, alright?
It don't look 3 bad. It doesn't look 3 bad. He looks very animated in this photo.
So a cartoon you draw, a live cartoon. You might move.
Yes, he's moving. What? guys, what he got was a shrimp. Baby, eat it so much you must enjoy it. Come.
And I forfeit that round, guys.
That's not up for discussion.
I don't know what to draw from the start to the finish. I don't know what to
draw. The one that we cook, the de-shelled one.
You know me say I don't know what to draw.
Draw the de-shelled one. You don't know how to draw a de-shelled shrimp? When you buy from supermarkets?
Alright, you know what?
Right.
Alright. Not a bit of failure about that try, right guys?
No, you say that.
Alright. So I'm winning by trying. Ready?
Go. What's that supposed to be? What's it supposed to be? The pepper shrimp? The dried pepper shrimp?
You can't tell me say you can't look on dry pepper shrimp and know how I eat this.
Let me translate for our overseas audience. He's saying that you can't tell him otherwise.
I'm going to put the bag beside it. Tell me if you know the difference.
You can't tell him otherwise as it relates to if this. Okay, so I told him to draw shrimp. He drew a bag of
shrimp.
The dried hot and spicy shrimp.
And those are delectable.
Elsa and Anna from Frozen.
Yes, man. Me know I would have put one difficult one day. But you see, I one me putting on guys. One.
Babe, or people from foreign don't know what you just said.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have put one difficult one in the mix. Elsa and Anna from Frozen, while she has given me most of them difficult. And
you did not give me a guideline. Yes,
but God is not sleeping. Ones. God is not mocked.
God is definitely not sleeping. Let it go. Let it go. Where's my pencil? All right.
Hold on. Yeah. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Bria will be the judge of this one. Bria is Elsa and her favorite. We're going to give her and ask her, who is this?
Aww.
30 seconds gone.
Coming. Guys, so this is my version of Elsa and Anna.
Nobody would watch that version.
Let me give you the backstory.
No. A picture says 1,000 words.
You know, like when the animators are drawing from scratch on their little pad. This is like the draft before the final touches are put on.
That need how much touch?
So this is my version of Elsa and Anna. Admittedly, guys, let me say I don't think I won this round. But that is solely based on Brian's ability to draw the final thing.
Why you laugh?
In this Picasso and Pikachu challenge. Okay, go ahead, babe.
Why you laughing?
Go ahead. Just go ahead.
Whatever reason she's laughing is not fair.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Alright, I'm going to tell you now a serious story. See, when she asked me to draw one rose, I did go draw this, which is Basilia.
Yeah, he said when he got a rose to draw, he was going to draw what I have on the paper, which is Basilia. So if you can draw Basilia, I don't know who can. Go ahead.
People who can draw.
Go ahead.
So crazy and unfair. Tell me when you're ready.
Go.
Well, I mean already. You have to wait.
Go. Why my head so big?
Your head big. Come where you want.
Why do I look like a Nancy already? Guys, look at what Brian drew as me. My Elsa and Anna can go on.
Let me give you the backstory behind
No,
it.
no backstory behind this. What is that? Look like a Nancy.
You see, these are the things that stand out about Basilia. I wanted to video it on this. This is what I want to video it on. These are the things that stand out about Basilia. Her beautiful smile. Every time she steps into a room, it's radiant and it lights up the room. Her nice flowing hair. It has different styles at times, but it's still nice nonetheless. But most importantly, you realize there's a big heart in the middle of it.
That is not attached to the body.
The big heart. The reason it's not attached to its body is because there's no Brian in the picture. And Brian is the head of the household. Other than that, sometimes she's not the head, but yes. Boom.
And
if the backstory they don't win.
My friends, doesn't make any sense.
If the backstory they don't win, something wrong with some of them.
Babe, how my body's not attached
if I do not win
to my
based
head.
on my backstory, something is wrong with you.
Guys, alright. So out of 5, I want you to drop in the comments.
Out of 5? Oh.
Yeah, you
I won 3 rounds, she won 2 out of 5. I won the rose, I won Basilia, and I won...
What else did you win?
The shrimp. She won the first 2 and lost the final 3.
Guys,
have a look for yourselves, guys.
Anyways, guys, please drop in the comments who you think won this Picasso and Pikachu challenge. Alright? Team Bass in the building.
I'm not even going to solicit votes like you are begging.
Anyway.
Right, putting on smiles and saying,
anyway, guys, this is all for Picasso and Pikachu challenge right here on Stuff from the Cuffs. If you're new, again, make sure that you hit that subscribe button before you go. Thank you so very much for watching.
We're going to do a poetry challenge next.
No, we'll have another video for you soon. Bye, guys.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.